course today let us learn about the 3-wire and 2-wire modes of operation of a VFD. This is the frame of VFD I am dealing with, and this shows the internal structure and the wiring according to which a user wire is shown. Now what are 2-wire and 3-wire modes of application? By using the external terminals of the VFD, it can be run in forward or reverse direction or stopped. The related parameters are set accordingly for the required mode of operation. First of all, you need to set the source of first operation commands as external terminals. For that parameter 20 has to set to 1, under default factory setting it is 1. In the keypad the parameters can be changed using the key. Now we need to set the parameter for 2-wire or 3-wire operation, which comes under group 4. Now setting 404 to 0, which is 2-wire operation with switches 1 for forward operation and other for reverse operation. Now the wiring is done according to the given wiring diagram. Now working on the VFD. When switch connected to the external terminal MI1 is closed, the motor works in forward direction. When switch connected to MI2 is closed, the VFD works in reverse direction. When both the switches are closed, the VFD ceases. Now let's see the second type of 2-wire operation. For that, set 404 to 1. Now working VFD on the second type of 2-wire operation. There is no difference in wiring from the first one. The switch connected to MI1 work as start or stop switch. The switch connected to MI2 work as forward or reverse switch. When it is closed, the direction in which the VFD runs the motor is reverse. And when open, it works in forward direction. That is all about the 2-wire modes of operation of VFD. Next is 3-wire operation. It uses 3 external terminals MI1, MI2 and MI3. For that you need to set 404 to 2. The wiring is done according to the given wiring diagram. Now operating on 3-wire mode. The start and stop are push buttons, whereas forward or reverse is toggle switch. The switch connected to MI2 when open works the motor in forward direction and reverse when closed. That is the working of VFD in 3-wire operation.